Hello, children. Let's read the story. Sam the Sloth. What do you do? Sam the Sloth, Sam the Sloth. What do you do? I help people. That's what I do. Fireman Sam. What do you do? I stop the fire. I help you too. Policeman Sam. What do you do? I help you cross and keep you safe too. Builder Sam. What do you do? I build big houses, strong and new. Artist Sam. What do you do? I paint with red and green and blue. Dentist Sam. What do you do? I clean your teeth, shiny and new. Singer Sam. What do you do? I sing la la la. Do you sing too? Dr. Sam. What do you do? I help you smile and feel brand new. Teacher Sam. What do you do? I read and write and count till 2. Dancer Sam. What do you do? I jump and spin and dance with you. Sam the Sloth, Sam the Sloth. You do so much, that's true. Helping, painting, singing, dancing. Sam, we love what you do. Goodbye, children. Hope you liked the story. We'll see you next time.